Hello everyone! In this video, we'll dive into the world of trading and talk about scalping strategy. This method is perfect for those who want to make quick decisions and want to make profit in short periods of time. We'll figure out all the main principles which will help you to increase your efficiency in the market. So stay with us and let's reveal the secrets of successful scalping trading together. So first of all, let's set up the chart for our strategy. We only need 15 seconds time frame. The thing is, scalping is designed for quick trades and therefore I recommend using smaller time frames to open your deals. And also the time of our deal will be 30 seconds. Okay, now let me tell you how to apply the strategy on practice. So most likely you're already familiar with the strategy in which we're trading from level to level. In scalping, we also enter from level to level, but we open deals only when we see a very sharp and impulsive approach of the price to one of the levels. And the very sharp and impulsive approach of the price is accompanied by a good and impulsive candle. For example, we can attribute this candle to impulsive or this one. And also, such candles with large shadows are such candles with such impulsive candles, And to determine whether the candle is impulsive or not, we must see the process of formation of this candle. And this is why I cannot explain to you more clearly from the history of the charts. So we immediately move to trading. So I opened the deal to increase. In this situation, I see the horizontal support level and there were lots of reactions from it. So this level can be called strong. The last candle after which I entered is impulsive, since at the very end of the candle we had a sharp downward shoot. By the way, look at the impulsive movement that occurred here. Okay, this case worked out. And immediately I open another deal, this time to sell for 30 seconds. As I saw in this situation, a very impulsive approach upward to this resistance level. Okay, by the way, if you want to receive even more relevant analytics as well as signals, effective ones, join my Telegram channel. There, some useful information and the support of my team is awaiting for you. As you can see, on one currency pair, thanks to this strategy, I was able to take two cases in my favor. Let's move on. So, I opened the $100 deal to sell for 30 seconds. In this situation, I saw the sharp approach of the price to the resistance level. It is also worth noting that here we already had some small gap formed and I think the price can easily return to this gap. Excellent downward movement, guys, and already the third deal in a row has caused a profit from me. So while I was explaining this deal, I also pointed out the gap as in chart. Such a gap is already accepted. It will be covered over time since gaps are pointed on the charts that have not been traded already, and the market needs to trade absolutely all untraded parts. Based on this, I recommend entering a position when you see the gap. Since then the chances that the deal will be closed in a profit are much higher. So I opened the 30-second sell deal. In this situation, I see the price approaching this resistance level. I expect a rollback movement from it since the approach was extremely fast and sharp. Accordingly, I expect the price will go down to buy off this movement. And I've got a profit. Once again, my balance is already $466. Let's move on. So I found a situation for entry, opened the deal to sell for 30 seconds. In this situation, I see this resistance level. It is already relatively old, but the price has reached it. When reaching this level, we again formed the gap. This gap indicates that the approach was very impulsive. Accordingly, based on this, I expect a rollback movement here. And I've got a profit once again. I opened a deal to sell for 30 seconds and I saw a very sharp impulse on the last candle. So this candle can be called impulsive. I saw the price approaching this resistance level. Okay, there were lots of rollback movement from this level, and accordingly, I expect a rollback here. The deals closed in a profit, and to be honest, at the last moment, I thought the price would go even higher and the deal will be closed in a loss. However, look at this good downward movement happened here. Let's find another situation and we'll sum up. I opened the deal this time already to buy for 30 seconds. In this case, I see this resistance level. There were certain reactions to the rollback from it. Here, I expect an upward movement since the last approach was accompanied by the very impulsive candle. By the way, look at this sharp upward movement I managed to catch right after this downward spill. Well, I think we can finish here, guys. Look how I was able to increase my balance more than 7 times bigger, just in a short period of time. Oh my god. And now just imagine what would happen if you were trading together with me right now. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I hope it was useful for you and you got inspiration for your trading decisions. Good trading luck and see you. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed my channel, of course, and to put your precious likes.